Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp desktop to your iMac, MacBook Pro or any other version of Apple computer. In this you have to go to Launchpad, hit this one, and here you have to find App Store. Here you see at the top the first one is App Store. Hit this one. In App Store, top free app at the top, you have WhatsApp desktop. Hit this one to get, hit for install. It's done. You can open from here. Also, you can go to Launchpad. Why is the app is always hit WhatsApp. Okay, this is the scan code of your phone. So scan which WhatsApp you want to use with this computer. So now you have to go to your phone. There we go. Go to WhatsApp. So here you see the third option, link device. Hit this one. Here, link device. Hit one more time. Face ID. Now you have to scan. So let's go. We have the WhatsApp here and we have to scan this code. Okay. It's done. Let's go back to the computer. So I have WhatsApp desktop here. You see all my contacts, everything is there. Message from my mom and other information. So very easy. It's just a software. You see here you can put this one keep on dock, so every time it will be here. If I close this one, for example, I click this one, is always there. Lovely. If for example quit this one, is fine, is here the same. I click this one and it's connecting. Wow, awesome, isn't it? So this is the way how you can get WhatsApp web desktop for your MacBook, iMac or any other version of Apple computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.